they're all of a sudden deciding that no one has standing to enforce federal law in terms of the cleanup of rolls, which Judicial Watch has been doing successfully for years. Or gaining, and one of the ways you clean up the voter rolls is by looking at them and figuring out if they're clean or not and whether they're valid. And they don't want people to gain access to them despite federal law that requires access. The denial of access to public records, as we say, requested under the National Voter Registration Act's public disclosure provision, inflicts a concrete informational injury deeply rooted in centuries of common law tradition. The Third Circuit's decision departs from this precedent by imposing a novel nexus requirement demanding plaintiffs prove downstream harms beyond the denial itself. The ruling exacerbates a sharp and growing circuit split. Circuits like the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals, adhere to this court's framework, finding standing upon denial alone. The Third Circuit's decision contains serious legal errors and directly conflicts with long-standing Supreme Court precedent. This court has held that a person who is denied requested public records suffers a concrete injury. The Third Circuit adopted a new requirement that conflicts with previous rulings by this court on the issue. So not only does this case show the need for urgent citizenship verification, they had 100,000 non-citizens on the rolls up in Pennsylvania.